You can see the above example roughly describe hermetically a small word YNSW algorithm. It is also the default ANN logarithm. In Weaviate, however, these are the several ANN. If you don't understand ANN, I explained in my previous video. You can use to what? To index the vector, which can be categorized in the following group, like clustering based index. Means it can have a big PDF file that can it convert into chunk. Like if our PDF contains 10,000 words, then it can convert it PDF into 2,000 characters, like chunk 2,000. This is based on our AI model. We can't. If you use the vector, we can also. Here we can see the limit. Means axiomatic graph index, tree based index, hash based index, compression based index. This is the name. That's the index from using vector database. Note that the indexing enables fast retrieval at query time, but it could take a lot of time to build the index intentionally. So further reading, we can also read this article from the internet. So I can explain why is vector search so fast. It is used AI logarithm to search. So I already made a video how the vector search work. I can show you the video now. So the video was this one. Okay, youtube.com/ @ I think like this. Just little bit wet and show you the video. What is the vector? I can already use in Unity to scrap. I think no. Here you can see use Pinecone AI agent. This is a vector based. This is vector AI agent vector. Use vector to search, and I build the automation that can explain in this video. You can see in Pinecone AI agent. It's called vector database. Let's go to our article and read it. And vector database architecture. So this means such vector database do not store vector embedding but also the original data object. Their architecture consists of multiple indexes. Below you are the example of the web vector database architecture. You can read it and find it. User can create any number index. Of each index can contain any number or shared. Shared can distribute, replicate across nodes. In the shared always contain and button of vector store is affected the ELSM segment. Means when you can upload the PDF in the vector database, it can convert into binary form like 0 to 1. But to find any type of information that is in the computer understandable read, so it can use in binary form, so it can easily find computer. Then it can present vector to binary to number form. A vector database use cases. So a widely of application use such capability like vector database. They range from a classical ML use cases such as natural language processing (NLP), computer vision, and recommended system to providing long-term memory to LLM in the modern application. The most popular use case of vector database is naturally for search. Vector search can help to find similar objects. It is precedented for application where you might want to find similar product, movie, song, etc. That is why they are also used in recommendation system as a restarted search tags. With the risks of LLM, many modern generative AI applications use vector database as an external knowledge base. So you might have already come across the term they provide LLM with the long-term memory. Means vector database have a long-term memory. We can upload many files as a possible, but we can upload a many file in vector database. Sometimes it can provide hard to find the information, and that was the problem. LLM are setless, which means they are immediately forget what you just discussed. If you don't store information, example in vector database, and thus provide them or state, the enable of LLM to hold actual conversation. Also, you can store additionally information in the part of travel augmented generation or AG pipeline. Here is an example of called health search. After a vector database in action together with LLM, showcasing the potential leveraging user written query. You can see it to landscape around vector database. Although the vector database are a native specific design to handle vector embedding and enable efficient vector search, alternative like vector library and vector capable database is it as well. Vector database versus traditional database.